Hello everyone. In today's class, I'll be discussing the question paper questions on traffic engineering, wherein the theory part is explained in the previous video. So the first question is: a flyover segregates the traffic with respect to grade. The shape of the stop sign according to IS 67/2001 is octagonal. If L is the length of vehicle, C is the clear distance, V is the speed, N is the number of vehicles, N is equal to 1000 V divided by L plus C. The traffic volume is defined as the traffic density and speed. If the stopping distance and average length of vehicle are 18 and 66 meter, then the theoretical maximum capacity, use the formula N is equal to 1000 V divided by L plus C. Calculate L. See, this is explained in the geometric design and elements theory part. The problems, this problem is explained, and the right answer is 1500. A flyover segregates traffic with respect to grade. The traffic volume of a roadway is defined as a multiplication of traffic density and speed. The value of rigidity factor for design purpose if the tire pressure is greater than 0.7 MPa is less than 1. Calculate the capacity of the road when reaction time of the driver is 2 seconds. Design speed 80, length 6 meter. So this problem, the right answer is 653. Again, this is explained in the previous theory part video. So as per IRC, the maximum width of vehicle is 2.44 meter. An anoscope is used for measuring spot speed. On highways, the sign of dead slow is a regulatory sign. Traffic capacity is the ability of roadway to accommodate traffic volume in terms of vehicles per hour. Conventional sign represents bridge carrying a railway below road. Webster method is used for determining optimum signal cycle. Anoscope is used to determine spot speed. The road intersection where all converging vehicles are forced to move around a large central island in one direction before they can view out of traffic flow into their respective directions radiating from the central island is called as rotary intersection. In case of traffic studies, PCU stands for passenger car unit. Is not a method of conducting origin and destination studies, a trapezoidal rule method. On a single lane in road in one direction, if the average spacing between vehicles is 10 meter, then what is the density? So I have explained in the previous video, K is equal to 1000 divided by S. So K is equal to 1000 divided by S is nothing but spacing. 1000 divided by 10 is 100. Maximum width of all vehicles limited by the IRC is 2.5. An engineer is designing a two-phase traffic signal system with an all red time for pedestrian crossing as 15 seconds. If Webster method is used, then what will be the total lost time? So in the Webster method, L is equals to R plus 2N. R is 15 plus 2N. N is nothing but the number of phases. So 15 plus 2 into 2 is 19 seconds. The maximum number of vehicles that can pass a given point on a lane or roadway during 1 hour during prevailing roadway and traffic conditions is known as possible capacity. A road sign indicating no parking is a mandatory sign. Equivalent factor for passenger car unit for vehicles like motorcycle and scooter is 0.5. The provision of traffic signals at intersection reduces right angled collisions but may increase rear end collisions. The average spacing between vehicles, calculate the density if the traffic spacing is 50 meter. Again, K is equal to 1000 divided by S, 1000 divided by 50. 20 is the right answer. The particular places where pedestrians are to cross the pavement which are properly marked by the pavement marking is known as marked crosswalk lines. The provision of traffic signals at intersections reduces right angle collision but may increase rear end collisions. The 30th highest hourly volume is the hourly volume which is exceeded by only 29 hours in a year. The cumulative speed distribution curve is usually adopted for geometric design of highway. The percentile speed adopted for geometric design is 98 percentile speed. For perfectly elastic bodies, the value of coefficient of restitution is 1. Moving car absorb method is a procedure to find the traffic flow of a traffic stream. Desired lines are drawn based on origin and destination studies. The PCU for value for a car on an urban road is 0.5. The speed and delay studies on a defined section of a highway are conducted by the speed and delay studies as moving car method. So this completes the multiple choice questions which are asked in the previous question papers. Thank you. In the next class, I'll be discussing with the surface highway materials theory part.